Are you dreaming of beautiful, stylish blinds that perfectly match your home's aesthetic? The kind that adds elegance, comfort, and a personal touch to every room? Now you can have all that while saving big. Let me guide you through an effortless way to grab exclusive deals with affordable blinds coupons, promo codes, and discounts. Here's how to unlock these incredible savings in 3 simple steps. Visit promosaver.net head to promosaver.net, where you'll find a wide selection of coupon codes and discounts. It's your one-stop destination for saving money on affordable blinds. Choose the perfect discount browse through the list of offers and pick the code that best suits your needs. Whether it's percentage off deals or free shipping, there's a deal for everyone. Apply the code at checkout. Once you've chosen your blinds, apply the promo code during checkout. Watch as the total amount drops, leaving you with extra savings to put toward other home improvements. It's that easy. No unnecessary steps or hidden fees, just simple, straightforward savings on products that elevate your home. Why wait? Upgrade your home today with affordable blinds while keeping your wallet happy. This is your chance to combine style, functionality, and incredible value. Visit promosaver.net now and take the first step toward a more beautiful home for less. Because your dream decor shouldn't break the bank.